Is your check engine light on and showing the P0456 code? This code means your car has detected a small leak in the evaporative emission system, also known as the EVAP system. So what exactly does the EVAP system do? Its job is to capture fuel vapors from the gas tank and send them back into the engine through the intake manifold, where they're burned during combustion instead of escaping into the air. Now let's break down the most common causes of a P0456 code. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this issue, step by step, so you can save time, save money, and keep your car running perfectly. So let's get started. Number 1, most common, a faulty gas cap. If the cap is loose, damaged, or the rubber seal is worn or cracked, it won't seal properly. That allows fuel vapors to escape, triggering the code. Always tighten your gas cap until you hear at least 3 clicks. Number, damaged fuel filler neck. This part is often overlooked but small. Cracks or poor sealing where the gas cap connects can also let vapors leak out. Number 3, worn or cracked EVAP hoses. These hoses carry fuel vapors through the system, and even tiny, hard to see cracks can cause a leak. Number 4, faulty purge valve. This valve should be fully closed during system testing. If it doesn't, vapors can slowly leak into the engine, making the system think there's a small leak. Number 5, damaged charcoal canister. This component stores fuel vapors, but if it develops cracks or worn seals, it won't hold pressure properly. Number, the EVAP canister vent valve. Normally this valve stays open, but it should close during leak testing if dirt or wear prevents it from sealing completely. The system may detect a leak. Number 6, a faulty fuel tank pressure sensor. This sensor monitors pressure inside the tank. If it sends incorrect data, the car's computer might think there's a leak when there isn't. And finally, a failing engine control module, or ECM. This is rare and should only be considered after all other components have been properly checked. If you're dealing with a P0456 code, start with the simple fixes first, like checking your gas cap, before moving on to more complex components. And that's it. Your problem should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Care, a secret for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.